talk a little bit about what is TeleMed in this video. So TeleMed, the functional medicine world has been using TeleMed for many years, but it's relatively new with the traditional medical model. Now we're in the time of the coronavirus, this COVID-19, and so we're being encouraged to stay home, and you're starting to hear on the news and everything else and from your doctor's offices about using TeleMed. So what exactly is TeleMed? We're going to do this quick little presentation here to kind of tell you, but basically it's exactly the same as going into the doctor's office, but you stay at home and do it, and that keeps you safe from the coronavirus. And a lot of patients, and for us, Tucson Functional Medicine, we have patients all over the United States. We have patients actually um, around the world because we no longer have to be in exactly the same location to do this. So we're going to talk about a discovery appointment, and then we're also going to talk about just a regular office visit using both of these. So telemed is defined as a remote diagnosis and treatment of patients by means of telecommunications technology. The internet has really changed things, and most of the time, your doctor doesn't actually touch you anyway. And so in a functional medicine appointment, we can actually have the test kits mailed to you. Then you can take the test kits from your house, do the test, send it in, we get the results. And then what happens is we upload the results into your portal and you download them. But we'll go over that here in just a minute. So if you scheduled a Zoom appointment, let me get this out of the way. If you scheduled a Zoom discovery appointment, you just sign on. You need to look at the video on how to book the appointment, the video on how to download the Zoom software, it's free, and the video on how to actually access your Zoom call. We have little videos on each one of these in this section. So I will walk you through what is functional medicine in your discovery appointment, what is involved. It's you get a time to ask all the questions to find out if functional medicine is a good fit for you. It isn't a good fit for everybody, and if it is for you, we just want to learn that. I don't think it's fair to have to charge you for you to have to pay to find out that functional medicine isn't a good option for you. And most of the time, the talking in the discovery appointment is you because you're the one who knows your body better than I can ever know it. And so I am listening to you to find out exactly what is going on for you and what your frustrations are and your concerns with your healthcare. And then after the discovery appointment, we actually send you a zip file. And in the zip file is the information on the different programs we have in here, how to connect with us on social media, all that kind of stuff. So what happens with this is um, you just do it right over the phone. So here's an example. So you've got patient right up here. Where is it? Patient right here and doctor right here. And instead of being sitting across from each other in the room, we're doing it actually from my office to your home. And so this is, it's fascinating and it's fantastic way the internet has done it. Now, if you're already a patient of myself, Dr. T, what do you want to do? You want to go to the portal. You want to go to your documents folder, print whatever uploads I have put in there, and then you want to have those in front of you with the call. And so then you sign on with the link that I sent you in the portal, giving you your Zoom information, connecting information. You just click on there, and then you actually, this is what you would have. You would have this is an example of an adrenal test. So this is what you would print out, and the review, we go through and do reviews for every test that we do, and you would have these printed out. So if you came into the office, we just hand these to you, and then we sit down and go over them with you. If it's a Zoom call, we upload them into your portal, you print them, then you get on the call, and you're looking at the same thing that we're going over on our screen, and we can actually share our screen just like what we're doing here and mark all over it so you can show, we can actually walk you through it and exactly what it means and everything like that. So again, it's exactly the same. You got the patient up here and you got the doctor down here, and the patient would have in front of, in this case, her, everything that we put into the portal, and then the doctor has exactly the same information in front of them, and they're just actually communicating through that. So hopefully this helped you understand telemed a little bit. It's really a simple process. First time is always a little intimidating if you've never used use Zoom or any of this telemed thing. But once you do it the first time, it's easy, easy peasy. And we have a lot of patients. I have a lot of patients that live right here in Tucson that could come into the clinic that don't come into the clinic, even if there wasn't the coronavirus. These people just want to do it from their home. And that's perfectly fine too. So hopefully this helps you understand a little bit of what telemed is.